Good afternoon to the Honorable Governor Robert Lindones Barbers, the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the 1st and the 2nd Legislative Districts, to the 20 municipal mayors together with its respective Sangguniang Bayan members headed by the municipal vice mayors, to City Mayor Paul Dumlao,